cover pages in another video. Posts are more frequently updated, and they are related to the articles on your blog. So a post is basically the page of your article where your article is housed. WordPress originally started as a blogging platform, so it's great that we have static pages to have our website pages like About Us or our home screen. But this particular client that I built this site for did not want a blog. What I did instead is I related the blog to her NextGen Gallery plugin, which I've tagged all the images in there with a specific tag, depending on what the image was. If it's a landscape, I tagged it as landscape. If it is a portrait, I tagged it as portrait. And I've created that on her site. Let's go look at it real quick. It's under highlighted work. That's the name of her quote-unquote blog. That's not a blog. It's an image gallery of selected images. And in a previous video, I did change one of the tags to award-winning instead of award. So none of my pictures are showing up in this site, but that's okay on that particular post. So let's go look at San Miguel. And under San Miguel, what it's doing is pulling the tags from the NextGen Gallery over into this blog post and only showing those 4 images that have that specific tag. Now it is showing as an image list. And if we click on that image, it'll open a big screen. It kind of makes the light box here dark so you can really focus on the image. And you can always click on next. Okay. And people can comment here and leave a comment. So it is like a traditional blog where you can leave a reply or comment and on this particular series. So let's go look at that post inside the back end here. I'm going to scroll over to post, and it has a flyout menu of all posts. And we're going to take a look at San Miguel. You can either click on here or click edit. It's fine, either one. And you see here that there's nothing really on the screen on the visual WYSIWYG editor. We click over to HTML and you'll see the same tag. So this funky little tag here is called a shortcode, and what it says it's pulling from the NextGen tag gallery and pull all those images related to San Miguel, and that is the slug of the tag that I created for that particular image. So if I wanted to pull a different one, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cheat. I'm just going to copy this. I'm going to go over to add new post. It's going to take a moment. The internet's working really hard today. Actually, my husband's gaming in the other room. Don't tell. Okay, so I'm going to paste that, and I'm going to change that tag to something else. I'm going to go over, I've already got it open here, but I could go over to gallery, do the flyout menu, and do open in a new tab here on tags. Here are all the tags. So let's pull out juried. So back over to add new post. I'm going to change this tag to juried. There we go. I'm going to call this one juried. So that is if you enter a gallery show that's juried, it's there's a panel of judges that picks the best items and best artists for the show that fit. So I'm going to hit publish, and let's go look and make sure that magic happened. We're going to view post in a new tab. Juried, yes. Well, it's still thinking, but it's going to pull up, yep. Here are the other images. So I've just created a new post called juried and only pulled out specific images from my NextGen gallery, which is a pretty cool feature if I do say so myself. So knowing what your tags are it will relate over. There were some specific, we can just go over and look at it. There are some specific options that I set up in the gallery to do that. Options. I think it's under image. Nope. Maybe it's general option. Oh, yes. Okay, so tags and categories. I've got it. You can match with either tags or categories. I also set up categories that match my original tags. So I have it going to my categories. You can save changes. That's a pretty cool feature. I'm pretty impressed with myself that I figured out how to do that. Not even going to lie. All right. Thank you for watching.